Okay, so welcome back. In our previous video we have handled our unhandled promise rejections, and today in this video I want to handle the uncaught exceptions. Okay, let me show you what are these exceptions. For example, if I go to my server.js, let me close this one first of all, and if I type here log like a, press Ctrl S, you will see that we get here an error, definitely a is not defined. So this is like a uncaught exception. So to handle it, first of all, what I have to do here is I will simply at the top right here, make sure that I put this code on the top. So handle the uncaught exceptions, and I simply type here process dot on uncaught exception. So whenever this uncaught exception occurs, what we have to do here, we simply have to call the callback here with the error. So type here console.log the error. I will simply concatenate here the error dot message, and also I will simply print here the message that is shutting down server due to uncaught exceptions. And then simply we have to process.exit and simply pass here 1. So it's moving server from here, shutting down due to uncaught exception. So we save it. Okay. So now if I type here again log a, press Ctrl S, and this time you will see here shutting down server due to uncaught exception, and error is a is not defined. Okay. And you can also print here the complete error stack. For example, complete error stack like this one. Stack. So you can see that here I got here complete error stack that a is not defined on this line. All right. So in this way we can handle our uncaught exceptions. Make sure that you put this code on the top, because if you put it under the console.log, it is not going to work. Okay. So I hope that you understand. So we are done with the uncaught exception and the unhandled promise rejection. In my next video, I want to handle the validation errors and the Mongo ID error. So I will see you in the next video.